Oh, we hit an hour, man. We hit an hour, chat. 1 hour. Hour, yeah. We just hit an hour, chat. We're gonna still roll. We're gonna still keep going. We're gonna still keep recording, chat. Yo, niggas got foul. Yo, I'm chat this nigga retarded. I know that. I already see no dark nigga. We can see. I only been over here for a week, nigga, and I already see. Yo, you always want to play, boy.
So you get that
Hey.
like a
Yo, BJ, you gonna woke him?
you want to be running on some FPS, but that's what I'm
Yo, go. No, we're not playing. Who wants somebody to play? If this is a big house boy, you know, we're gonna change the team. This ain't no big house boy. This ain't no big house boy. This ain't no big house boy.
Yeah, when I put out stage with y'all,
This ain't no big house boy. This ain't no big place that we can't play. I'm sorry. If we're gonna walk you and we out, okay? Okay? Okay?
you feel like I got more than five.
But Ace know what's up, y'all. That's Ace right there, y'all. That's Ace.
Yo, chap, you just hit the 1 hour mark. About to hit the deuces.
Look.
Five.
Over there. Over there. Go.
I would have did better. You know, we play together. You didn't do better.
I was playing on
Remember, we say together, you ain't do better.
first gen of
Ah,
courses.
fuck, I just hit my elbow on the
New
chin.
gen hip-hop. Come on, bro. I was playing on OJ and you playing on new gen.
Listen, chat. We out there? We out there. Wait, hold on. Wait, let me say my last word.
I ain't gonna lie, I had a good stream, a good hour stream. Good sight from my big brother.
Let me say my thing. Let me say my last things from out here. I love y'all, man. Feel me? It's going on YouTube. Feel me? Safety chat. I know the vibe. Stay tuned for tomorrow's stream or later.